we're going to be making a tree.
Yay!
And all you'll need for this activity is our handy dandy paper roll, some double stick tape, a paintbrush, a sponge. This is a natural sponge. I like it because it gives that extra type of texture, but you can use a regular sponge. And something for our paint. I really like this because it has a wonderful well for water and an area for our paint. We're going to be using 3 tempera paint colors, red, yellow, and blue, which are our primary colors. And we're only going to need a little bit of blue, a little bit of red, and yellow. There we go. And of course, a piece of paper. And my feeling is that it should be an okay piece of paper, because you never know when your child is going to make something that you're going to want to keep for a real long time. So, if you're ready, let's begin. The first thing we want to do is take our toilet paper roll and squish it. Squish it down. Take our double stick tape, and I would put 2 pieces down. And tape it down on the bottom of the piece of paper like this. And once you've done that, you are ready to give this project to your child. With the paintbrush, start mixing the colors red, blue, and yellow together, because guess what color that makes? Yeah, brown. And it doesn't matter, they will make brown no matter what anyway. And then let them paint it, paint it, paint it. Let them have some fun. Painting, painting, painting the toilet roll. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. And oh my goodness. And then at this point, hopefully they saved some red, yellow, and blue. If not, you can put some more red, yellow, and blue down. Because what we do next is we get our sponge and we make it wet just a little bit, squeeze it out. What I like to do is just kind of dip it in like this, the red and the yellow, and just start putting the colors down. Some yellow and blue to make green. Just dip it in and have them just have fun dipping it in. It doesn't really matter what it looks like, the colors that they make, even if it's all brown. And if you need more paint, like I do, yellow and blue. We know what that makes. Yellow and blue makes green. Green, green, green. And just let them have fun. Dep, dep, dep. Dep, dep, dep. And no matter what, it turns into a beautiful, beautiful tree. That's all there is to it. So there you go. Our tree. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. I hope you had fun making your tree. See you next time. Bye-bye.